Your balls will thank you.
So if you guys aren't familiar with Manscaped, they have been one of the leaders when it comes to grooming your downstairs business, and now they just came out with their Lawnmower 3.0.
Sometimes you gotta get a little trim.
Everybody online say that this is the best thing to not nick or snag your nuts.
It has the advanced skin-safe technology,
which reduces nicks and cuts, my friends.
Nobody likes bush.
It's small, waterproof, and it has an LED light at the head of it.
I've already used it, and I'm good to go.
With the Perfect Package 3.0 kit, you have everything you need to take your grooming routine to the next level.
We have the Crop Preserver. It's anti-chafing ball deodorant.
Why wouldn't you put deodorant on the smelliest part of your body?
Some Crop Reviver, which is a ball toner.
A little touch-up spray for your dangly doodads.
Free shipping, and
I keep it all right here inside the Shed travel bag. You get this for free when you order the Perfect Package 3.0. You also get,
dude, undies.
The boxers holds everything up in place.
You get these for free as well.
Everything that's needed.
Order a Perfect Package 3.0 today at manscaped.com.